Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2020 Kia Sportage and we're going to do the wheel chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this vehicle has a chrome design on the rim. This is how it would be before the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material to give it a more sportier look onto the wheel design. For this installation, the rim size is size 17, so make sure the size of the tire of your vehicle matches the size to the pre-cut film that we have for this specific rim. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. Okay, so before we start the installation, we want to make sure we clean the rim. So you can use any cleaning solution in order to remove any contaminants or any coating that the rim might have. So it has to be a clean and dry installation. So for this piece, just make sure you align the film to the alignment of the chrome, so roughly around there, and just make sure you're matching the whole design of the rim, so like that. If you see you're exposing too much of the chrome here or any sections, then you need to make sure everything's aligned. So just make sure wherever you start, you align everything perfectly. So our recommendation would be starting from here to make sure that everything just falls into place, as so. And then you would just rinse and repeat the same steps for the remaining sections of the pieces here. Okay, and once you finish installing the last piece, now we move on to this smaller section. This section here, it's more easier. It's just aligning and applying it and making sure you're just covering the chrome section. So you just rinse and repeat the steps for the remaining pieces. And after that, we post heat all around to secure the film. Okay, now that we finished installing all the pieces, the last thing to do, like I said, is post heat to help the adhesive on the film activate faster, and we help tack down the film as well. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the wheel chrome delete for the 2020 Kia Sportage. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.